welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page if you haven't done it yet, to get the latest updates round the clock from Bollywood. For now, let's get started with the show with the top headlines of the day. Ranbir flies solo to Dubai while Alia enjoys in an enchanted forest. Deepika has saved her dates for a film with Kartik Aaryan. Bharti Singh and Harsh get bail after being arrested for consuming banned substances. Neha Kakkar gets a bittersweet welcome as she returns to work post her wedding. Kareena, Katrina, Priyanka and other stars reveal their favorite foods. रणबीर कपूर गए हैं आलिया से दूर. जी हां, the dashing actor was spotted as he jetted off to Dubai. लेकिन इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि रणबीर was traveling alone this time. And it did raise questions about why he was traveling to Dubai amidst all the pandemic restrictions. Alia and Ranbir have been in a steady relationship for over 2 years now. And very often rumors spring up that the two are also thinking about living together happily ever after. The good-looking couple will be seen on screen together for the first time in Brahmastra next year and are often spotted attending events in each other's homes or spending time with their parents and family. But it seems they are just as comfortable spending time without each other as well. While Ranbir is flying solo, Alia is dancing solo and shared a video of herself playing with kids in a forest. Ranbir's pictures from what seems to be the airport in Dubai are going viral on the internet. The actor who posed with a fan looked handsome in a maroon t-shirt and beige trousers. Ranbir, like most Bollywood stars, chose to add a pair of sunglasses and cap and completed his casual look with a sling bag. Why is the actor in Dubai और वो भी बिल्कुल अकेले is a mystery. But maybe the days to come will tell us why he left his lady love Alia behind. Ranbir and Alia celebrated Diwali together, and before that, the Kapoor and Bhatt families gathered together to celebrate Soni Razdan's birthday. आलिया कई बार रणबीर के मॉम और सिस्टर के साथ भी वक्त बिताती है. And it looks like the two and their immediate family share great equation. Off-screen मिलना मिलाना तो जारी है, लेकिन the couple also got the opportunity to work together recently. Alia and Ranbir filmed together during a hectic day schedule for the highly anticipated film Brahmastra. और सुनने में आया है कि दोनों साइड बाय साइड इस फिल्म की डबिंग भी कर रहे हैं. But it looks like Alia took a break from work and spent some time frolicking in the woods like a little girl. जी हाँ, आलिया ने सोशल मीडिया पेज पे एक वीडियो शेयर किया है जहां वो बच्चों के साथ खूबसूरत पेड़ों के बीच हंस खेल रही है. Dressed in a cute lavender outfit, आलिया वीडियो में बच्चों के साथ बच्ची बन रही है, dancing and playing around and enjoying themselves in what seems to be a park or forest area. Alia captioned her post, "Childhood, a time when the world feels like your playground." Alia has had a busy couple of months shooting back-to-back for Gangubai Kathiawadi, RRR and Brahmastra. Ranbir has also been working simultaneously on Shamshera, where he will be seen opposite Vaani Kapoor and Sanjay Dutt. He has also reportedly given the nod to Love Ranjan's next film, जहां वो पहली बार श्रद्धा कपूर के opposite pair होंगे. We can't wait to see Alia and Ranbir on screen together, and here's hoping Brahmastra releases in theaters soon, and if not then, hopefully on an OTT platform. Deepika Padukone and Kartik Aaryan engaged in some fun online banter after Deepika wished Kartik on his birthday, and the birthday boy responded to her wish of working in a film with him. Deepika Padukone has many high-profile projects lined up, but it looks like an actor she has been keen on working on with is the quirky Kartik Aaryan. Deepika and Kartik often comment on each other's posts, and the duo grabbed all the eyeballs when they danced together at the airport on his song Dheeme Dheeme. But क्या कार्तिक भी दीपिका के साथ फिल्म करना चाहते हैं? Well, take a look. Deepika and Kartik have always shared a fun equation at events and on social media. Kartik has been spotted flirting with Deepika on stage at an award show, and the two created quite a sensation when they brought traffic to a halt at the Mumbai airport and danced together to his song Dheeme Dheeme.
We'll do it.
You got to show me. Come on, I think we should go with
I think we'll do it over there.
On the occasion of Kartik's birthday, Deepika wished him with a social media post and shared her wish of working with him in a film. कार्तिक का एक ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट फोटो शेयर करते हुए दीपिका ने अपने बर्थडे विशेस के साथ लिखा था, "May we sign a fun film together this year," and added a tongue out emoji. Looks like Kartik दीपिका के स्पेशल विशेस पाके बहुत खुश हो गए, and the actor shared a screenshot of her social media story on his feed and added, "आप बस डेट्स तैयार रखो, फन और फिल्म मैं ला रहा हूँ." ये पहली बार नहीं है जब कार्तिक ने दीपिका के साथ फिल्म करने की ख्वाहिश जाहिर की है। वैसे तो दीपिका सभी स्टार्स और प्रोड्यूसर्स के विश लिस्ट पे है, बट कार्तिक ने अपनी विश को एक कोलाज इमेज के साथ शेयर भी किया था, आस्किंग इन द कैप्शन, "है किसी डायरेक्टर में दम?" अब लगता है दीपिका ने उनके बर्थडे पर उनकी ये विश पूरी करने का पहला स्टेप ले लिया है। After Kartik asked her to keep her dates free, Deepika ने भी कार्तिक के साथ फन बैंटर जारी रखा and responded to his reply by saying, "सर मेरे सारे डेट्स आपके," and added a heart sticker. Well, कार्तिक और दीपिका राजी है, लेकिन क्या कोई डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर इन पे बाजी लगाने के लिए रेडी है? We are keeping our fingers crossed. हमारी बॉलीवुड लीडिंग लेडीज को देख के कोई बिलीव नहीं करेगा कि वो एक्चुअली बर्गर्स, फ्रेंच फ्राइज या आइसक्रीम्स भी खाती हैं। But they do indulge in their favorite food and then make sure to work off all those extra calories. So क्या है आपके 5 फेवरेट स्टार्स के फेवरेट फूड्स? Bollywood beauties are known to be dedicated to their health and workout regimes. और क्यों ना हो, looking perfect is a big part of their work, whether it's in movies or for events or brand endorsements. Many of them share videos of themselves working out and also have elaborate skin and hair care rituals. Lekin contrary to what we think, none of them starve themselves or eat very little to stay slim. Most of these stunning divas eat healthy meals, indulge in desserts or cheat meals in moderation, and work out regularly to look as fabulous as they do. Here's what you will find on the plates of these Bollywood divas. Ananya Pandey. The millennial heartthrob makes sure to work out and stay fit but she can't resist a great burger and French fries every week. The actor flaunted her toned abs in black athleisure, and she had an emotional and joyful reunion with her favorite meal. बर्गर और फ्राइज खा के अनन्या की आंखों में खुशी के आंसू आ गए, and she captioned her adorable pictures. Literally me every Sunday when I'm reunited with my burger. Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Priyanka divides her time between India and America, and whenever she is in India, the actor makes sure to indulge in her childhood favorites like rajma chawal and parathe. The Desi girl also loves homemade aam ka achar and has often spoken about how she makes sure to keep bottle of pickle with her at all times. Deepika Padukone. दीपिका के टोन्ड एब्स को देख के कोई बिलीव नहीं करेगा, but the actor loves to eat simple homemade South Indian food that she has enjoyed since she was a child. The actor has always spoken about how much she loves rasam rice and idli sambar, and it looks like simple ghar ka khana is the secret to her good health. She also loves Mediterranean food and indulges in chocolate when the cravings strike. Kareena Kapoor Khan. Kareena is one star who has maintained a consistently healthy physique over the years. The actor, who has made home-cooked food and ghee fashionable, sticks to ghar ka khana on most days, but loves to indulge in spaghetti and pizzas occasionally because she loves Italian food. We have also spotted her tuck into a chocolate cake made by her sister during the lockdown, जिसे पता चलता है कि Bebo eats everything in moderation. Katrina Kaif. Katrina has one of the most enviable physiques in Bollywood, and the actor often shares videos of her grueling workout videos. But Katrina makes sure to eat healthy as well, sticking to homemade food like idlis and dal chawal. लेकिन हम सब की तरह ही the actor can't resist tucking into desserts, and her favorites are ice cream and cinnamon rolls. Comedian Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh, who were arrested for the possession and consumption of banned substances, have been granted bail by a special NDPS court in Mumbai. The NCB, which started investigating the consumption of banned substances by celebrities in the media and entertainment industry after Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, has widened its net and made some significant arrests over the past few months. The agency has also interrogated several high-profile celebrities like Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and Rakul Preet Singh in connection to the possession and consumption of banned substances over the past few months. Now, as the arrests of Bharti and her husband has proven that even television celebrities are under their scanner now. Bharti and Harsh were arrested by the NCB, and a small quantity of a banned substance was found in their home and office during the raid. The couple, who was interrogated for 15 hours by the NCB, जिसके बाद दोनों को ही अरेस्ट किया गया. अरेस्ट होने के बाद हर्ष और भारती का मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन किया गया and were initially sentenced to judicial custody till December 4th by a court. Bharti and Harsh applied for bail soon after the couple received a reprieve when a special NDPS court granted them bail. Bharti and Harsh were granted bail on a bond of rupees 15,000 as per the court order. According to Bharti and Harsh's lawyers, the quantity of banned substances were found very small and was meant for personal consumption. इसकी वजह से उनके ऑफेंस को बेलेबल बताते हुए कोर्ट ने उन्हें बेल दी है. According to news reports, NCB ने भारती और हर्ष के खिलाफ एक्शन लिया after they arrested a peddler of banned substances. इस पेडलर से एनसीबी को कई अलग टाइप के बैन सब्सटेंसेस मिले हैं, and it is believed that it was he who gave them a lead against Bharti and Harsh. Bharti is a very well-known television personality who first tasted success in a talent hunt for stand-up comedians. After this, she has been a part of several reality shows and comedy-based chat shows. Harsh and she are currently working on a show together which they co-host. The couple has been getting trolled by many netizens after news of their arrest broke, but they received a lot of support from their colleagues within the industry who have responded saying critics should wait for the NCB to complete their investigation before making any comments. Comedian Johnny Lever also cited the example of Sanjay Dutt, who overcame an addiction to banned substances in his youth, and advised the couple to pledge never to commit this mistake again. It remains to be seen if the NCB aggressively pursues a case against the couple and for how long they continue to investigate this matter. Sana Khan knows how to create headlines. Whether it was her decision to quit showbiz, her sudden marriage, or that awkward hug with Salman Khan. There are some celebs who become better known for the controversies they are a part of instead of the work or films that they do. Sana Khan का भी कुछ ऐसा ही हाल है. In fact, Sana has worked in multiple ads and 14 films, but she has always been surrounded by controversies all through her career. Here are 4 times the star was in the news, but not for the best reasons. Sana और controversies का स्टार टूटना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. First, sudden wedding. The actor introduced her husband to her social media followers recently, and safe to say, people were taken aback to see that she had married quite suddenly. She has also changed her name post-marriage to Syed Sana Khan. Sana's husband, Mufti Annas, is based in Gujarat, and the actor shared pictures of herself in a beautiful red lehenga captioning her wedding announcement post. Married each other for the sake of Allah. May Allah keep us united in this dunya and reunite us in Jannah. Second, quitting showbiz. In October this year, Sana made an announcement on her social media handles that she was quitting her career as an actor and media personality to pursue a path of spirituality and religious study. The actor shared a lengthy statement explaining her reasons and wrote, "When I searched for the answer to this question in my religion, I realized that this life in the world is actually for the betterment of life after death." Third, breakup with celebrity choreographer Melvin Lewis. Last year, Sana was in the news after unfortunate and rather ugly breakup with choreographer Melvin Lewis. The two, who indulged in plenty of social media romance and PDA, had a bit of falling out with lots of name-calling and nasty accusations that created quite the sorry spectacle in the media. Fourth, awkward hug with Salman. Sana has acted with Salman Khan in the film Jai Ho, but a hug she gave the superstar created major controversy since Salman kept his fists clenched while Sana hugged him. While this might just have been because of Sana's backless dress, many trolled her claiming Salman उन्हें hug करना नहीं चाहते थे. Responding to such comments, Sana had said, "Who the hell am I to make him feel uncomfortable? It's stupid to put somebody down by saying such a nasty thing and showing me in a wrong light." अच्छा और बुरा वक्त और embarrassing moments हर किसी की जिंदगी में आते हैं, and we can only hope कि अब सना की जिंदगी में सब अच्छा ही होगा और वो अपने नए लाइफ पाथ पर खुशी-खुशी चलेंगी. stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while. Neha Kakkar has resumed her duty as a judge on a singing reality show after a dream wedding and a dreamier honeymoon. लेकिन रोहनप्रीत के प्यार की मिठास उनके फेलो जज हिमेश रेशमिया की वजह से कड़वी हो गई। Neha Kakkar has been in the news for the past 2 months, almost after she and singer Rohanpreet Singh made their relationship official and then married each other on the 24th of October in a series of lavish functions with just their family and close friends attending. The two then jetted off to Dubai for their honeymoon, जहां से लौटने के बाद Neha has immediately started work and is back on the sets of a popular reality singing talent show. The singer even received a special present from music director Himesh Reshammiya to welcome her on the set after her marriage. But it left Neha with a sour taste in her mouth. Take a look. Neha, who looked gorgeous in all her wedding functions and wore stylish designer lehengas that left all the brides to be envious in India, also enjoyed a luxurious holiday with husband Rohanpreet Singh in Dubai, where the two were seen romancing each other at the most expensive resorts with flowers, balloons and romantic dates. But after a dreamy couple of months, Neha is back to work and will be judging a musical reality show with Vishal Dadlani and Himesh Reshammiya. शो के वर्चुअल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान नेहा ने शेयर किया कि शादी के बाद काम पे लौटकर उन्हें कैसा लग रहा है। The singer has expressed gratitude towards God and the makers of the reality show, who she said are an integral part of her life and have been very supportive. नेहा ने अपने डार्लिंग हबी को स्पेशली थैंक करते हुए कहा, My life was already beautiful earlier and now it has become more beautiful. I think life becomes more beautiful when your partner is a beautiful human being and supportive and understanding, which Rohu is. I am very happy and I hope Mata Rani and Vaheguru keeps us always happy together. While the singer was excited to get back at work with her fellow judge Himesh Reshammiya's special welcome gift, it left her feeling quite disappointed. हिमेश ने नेहा का वेलकम करने के लिए मिठाई की जगह पानी पूरी लेकर आए। और ये तो सबको पता है कि पानी पूरी को रेजिस्ट करना नामुमकिन है। Neha was super excited to see the tasty looking dish, लेकिन पहला बाइट लेते ही उनकी खुशी गायब हो गई क्योंकि हिमेश ने खट्टे टेस्टी पानी को करेले के जूस के साथ रिप्लेस कर दिया था। हिमेश managed to prank Neha with this gift और बेचारी नेहा उनका ये मजाक और कड़वी पानी पूरी अब शायद ही कभी भूल पाएंगी। नेहा की रैगिंग के साथ शो का शुभारंभ भी हुआ and it will be interesting to see if her hubby Rohanpreet also makes a special appearance on the show this season. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, reminding you guys to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. Until next time, it's goodbye.